In this video, we're going to be talking about multiplying and dividing by positive and negative numbers. Now, when we multiply two positive numbers together, as you do normally with your times table, this is going to give you a positive number. When you multiply a positive by a negative, as in two numbers that have different signs, you're going to end up with a negative. And when you multiply two negatives together, you end up with a positive. So the quick way of remembering it is if it's got the same sign, if the two things you're multiplying together have the same sign, your answer is going to be positive. And if they have a different sign, your answer is going to be negative. Let's have a look at a few examples. -3 multiplied by 5. So you do this in parts. So I would look at the sign first. It's -3, so it is negative. You're multiplying it by +5. They are different signs, so your answer is going to be negative. Now you can look at 3 times 5, which is going to give you 15. Next question. -4 multiplied by -6. These are both negative. They have the same sign, so your answer is going to be positive. I'm not going to write the plus in, but we know it's positive. Now we can move on to 4 multiplied by 6, which is 24. Question 3. -2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by -7. Now when you've got an example like this, where you're multiplying or dividing more than two numbers, you're going to have to do them in parts. So I'm going to split it up and do the -2 times 3 first. And then my answer to this calculation, I'm then going to multiply by -7. So -2 times 3, -2 is negative, the 3 is positive, so our answer is going to be negative. 2 multiplied by 3 is going to be 6. And we are still multiplying it by -7. -6 and -7 are both negative. They're the same sign, so our answer is going to be positive. 6 times 7 is 42. So our answer to question 3 is positive 42. Now for my last example, I'm going to do a division. 60 divided by -12. I'm just putting the -12 in brackets just to show that it's -12 rather than -12. You're not doing a division -12. So the division works in the exact same way as the multiplication. 60 is positive, 12 is negative, so my answer, they have different signs, so my answer is going to be negative. 60 divided by 12 is 5, so my answer is -5.